Good morning. Well, today is the first day of the meteorological autumn and the weather looks like it is going to follow suit from the west over the next few days, as we are going to see more unsettled conditions with bands of rain spreading in and winds also strengthening as well. In fact, currently this morning, there are outbreaks of rain and rather cloudy skies across much of Ireland, Northern Ireland, western parts of Scotland as well. Elsewhere, though, it's actually not a bad start to the day. Much like previous mornings, we are starting off with mainly dry and sunny conditions, and it is quite chilly with a touch of frost possible in some rural areas as well, and maybe one or two showers around East Anglia, the southeast of England, but they are very light and few and far between. Now, going into this afternoon, we're going to see little change on that, really, actually. We're going to continue with the mainly dry conditions with bright or sunny spells. There may be a little bit of cloud bubbling up, so that sunshine could turn quite hazy across England, Wales, eastern parts of Scotland as well. But we'll see more in the way of cloud, I think, across Ireland, Northern Ireland, western parts of Scotland, spreading a little further eastwards with that rain and drizzle as well. But